Mateo, 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 Kapitulo 26, versikulo 31 hanggang 35. Yeah. Bible reading, pagbabasa natin ng Biblia, ang version, ang salita ng Diyos, ASD. Kailangan ko basahin na right now. Pero may title, and cover na rin ito yung verse 31 to 35. Sinabi ni Jesus na ikakaila siya ni Pedro. May parallel verses siya sa Mark chapter 14 verse 27:31 to 31, and Luke chapter 22 verse 31 to 34, and John chapter 13 verse 36 to 38. So verse 31. Sinabi ni Jesus sa mga alagad niya, "Iiwan ninyo akong lahat ngayong gabi, dahil sinabi ng Diyos sa kasulatan, papatayin ko ang pastol, I will strike the shepherd." So, yun pala yung meaning na sa Tagalog. Eh, ang alam kong strike is gonna hit the shepherd. So, and that's what happened. So, let's go with the text. So, yun yung translation sa Tagalog. Papatayin ko ang pastol, I'll strike the shepherd, at magsisipangalat ang mga tupa, and they will scatter. I'll strike the shepherd, and the sheep will scatter. Kita nyo, sheep, tupa, apostles, kausap ng Panginoon, 12 apostles, yun yung nangyari. Natakot sila lahat. Nung napako sa krus. Natakot sila, nag-scatter sila lahat. But anyways, I don't have to. I need to not prolong this today, guys. I do apologize. Papatayin ko ang pastol at magsisipangalat ang mga tupa. Verse 32. Ngunit pagkatapos na ako ay muling mabuhay, after I rose again after 3 days, mauuna ako sa inyo sa Galilea. 33, sinabi ni Pedro kay Jesus, kahit iwanan kayo ng lahat, hindi ko po kayo iwanan. I-rephrase ko po yun. Kahit magsialis yung 10, kasi si Judas umalis na ng time na yun. Kahit umalis tong 10, Lord, kahit umalis yung 10 na yan, kasi 12 sila, umalis si Judas, kahit dahil ipagkakanulo na ni Judas si Jesus Christ, si Yesu Cristo, kahit magsialis yan, kahit mawala yung 10, Panginoon, hindi ako aalis, di kita iiwan. Sabi ni Pedro. 34, sinagot siya ni Jesus, sinasabi ko sa iyo ang totoo, bago tumilaok ang manok ngayong gabi, 3 beses mo kakaila, kilala mo ako. 35 verse. Sinabi ni Pedro, hindi ko po kayo ikakaila, kahit napatayin po ako, kahit napatayin po akong kasama ninyo. At ganun din ang sinabi ng iba. Sinabi ng iba pang mga alagad. I need to read it back, guys. Verse 35. Sinabi ni Pedro, hindi ko po kayo ikakaila, kahit napatayin po akong kasama ninyo. At ganun din ang sinabi ng iba pang mga alagad. So lahat sila nag-claim. But in reality, God knows what will happen. Our Lord Jesus Christ is telling them what will happen. So when it happened, they know that He is what He says He is, or who He says He is. He is who He says He is. So, medyo familiar naman yung mga verses, or at least yung story ng pagtakwil or pagkaila ni Pedro ni Peter, Simon Peter. Nung kinaila niya si Jesus Christ, but it's all part of the plan. Kasi 3 beses din siyang, hindi ko muna i-spoil. Abangan nyo na lang susunod na Bible read. So it's already 4 minutes. This is our Bible reading. I'm rushing, really rushing, because it's already 5:42 a.m. I need to take a bath, and then prepare, and then go to CCF, and then go to the school where we will, not actually school, to the gym, where we will be conducting the recollection of grade 10 high school students. Grade 10 high school students. Moving up to grade 11. So they will have a recollection, and CCF is going to be the one who's going to conduct it, and we are the facilitators who will guide the students through the breakouts. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. God bless you. Keep safe. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Bye for now.